Invisible review, demo, and $3,150 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblack.com and this is my Invisible review by Jono Armstrong, Brendan Mace, and Zeeshan Ahmed. Now this is a brand new course and software dedicated for people that are shy online, that want to stay invisible, that don't want to film themselves like I'm doing right now, that maybe don't want to use their actual name, that want to work under a pen name, and they still want to make a lot of money. Okay, so this is created with these people in mind, because this is exactly how Zeeshan is making money online. So Zeeshan is a guy from Pakistan. He started to making money online years ago. Now he is pretty much a six-figure per year marketer, and he still does everything online without really revealing his face. Okay, so if you don't want to film yourself, if you don't want to be revealing your face, if you want to stay invisible and still make a lot of money online, this is for you. As always, I'm going to show you the sales page, then inside of the members area I'm going to do a little demo. We're going to go through the pricing, all the funnel, and I have a huge bonus, and it's custom made especially for this promotion and is worth well over $3,000. So let me share my screen and let's jump into it. And even before I'm going to show you the sales page, I'm going to show you Zeeshan. This is the guy behind the course, okay? So as you can see, this is his Facebook profile, and again, he is a guy from Pakistan and he's really shy. He doesn't really, he never wanted to share his face online or even work under his actual name when he first got started online. So this is his Facebook profile, and I actually launched a product with him earlier this year. It was called Instavid, and we actually got a W's of the Day award. So it's, it was a great course, it was a great launch, and Zeeshan is an amazing marketer. He really knows how to make money online, and I just wanted to show you that I actually know him and that he actually makes a lot of money online. Okay, so with that being said, let's go through the sales page, and as you can see, it says, don't worry, this product has nothing to do with video creation, social media, or AdWords. Invisible, $14,286.45 in 3 days while staying invisible. If you don't make $500 this week, we'll give you double your money back. So pretty cool. Now this is exactly how you can start working online, being invisible without sharing your face, without any video, etc. So obviously these guys have tons and tons and tons of proof behind this. You don't have to be a native English speaker, obviously, so you can do this from anywhere in the world. No video creation, no social media, no self-branding, and again, they have a little story of Zeeshan right here. Obviously, Zeeshan is making money online for years and years and years now, so he is comfortable with revealing his face, but you don't have to, and he started in a way so he didn't have to, and no one really knew who he was. Okay, so obviously you can go through all of this in your own time. I just wanted to hit on some key points. Invisible, this is the name of this product, and again, this is Invisible by Jono Armstrong, Zeeshan Ahmed, and Brandan Mace, and this is my Invisible review for you guys. Scrolling down here, some more proof. You're gonna get a massive discount, 30 days money back guarantee. You're gonna get these bonuses from Jono, Zeeshan, and Brendan, and you're gonna get my bonuses on top of all this. So obviously I'm going to show you my bonuses in a second. So again, Brandan, Jono, and Zeeshan. This is the sales page, and right now let me show you the inside of the members area. So once you're gonna pick it up, this is what you will see. As you can see, you can access the dashboard right here. Then you have training, then you have the solo finder, which is a solo ad finder. These are the solo ads that Zeeshan is using to build his list and get traffic. We're gonna get into that in a second. Then you have an opt-in page template. This is the exact template that Zeeshan is using, and as you can see, we have 3 different buttons right here. One says access training, one says register for free training call. These guys will have a webinar, and also access the solo finder. So first of all, let's go through the training. If you're going to click on the training button, this is what you will see. So as you can see, first of all, you have this video. Let other people send you traffic, profit, and scale. Okay, then you have make $100 per day with Facebook. Again, you don't have to reveal your face or even use your actual profile. Make $100 per day by answering on Quora. Make $50 to $200 per day by suggesting names. Then we have make $250 a day with YouTube reviews. Now let me show you the first one. As you can see, this is the one where people send you traffic. So this is essentially solo ad training. Okay, so we have introduction, find winning products on Water Plus for quick commissions, find winning products on ClickBank that can scale, find winning products on JVZoo, autoresponder setup, landing page setup, and again, you're gonna be getting the opt-in page template. This template actually converts, so you're gonna make sure that you'll be adding tons of people onto your list, and obviously the more people you have on your list, the more traffic you're gonna generate for free from that point on. You can download all of this as a PDF as well. And the next up we got make $100 per day with Facebook, and you can also download the PDF. So obviously you're going to be getting video training and a PDF. You know, the next video is exactly the same. So make $100 by answering Quora, again, video and PDF. And this is how the software looks like. Okay, so the software actually finds solo ad vendors. Okay, so you can obviously do this in a number of different niches. So we have internet marketing, we have make money online, we have health, we have social, we have travel, we have dating, and we have personal development. So if we're gonna click on internet marketing, this will bring up something like this. So obviously this will be different on depending on what you're gonna click on. And as you can see, we have 194 people that will be sending you traffic if you want to buy the traffic from them. Okay, so we have top sellers right here. So as you can see, this guy sells for 69 cents and he has 1,325 thumbs up. So, pretty cool. He's probably a great solo ad vendor. So you can just go through all of this and see which person can actually send you some traffic. Start building your list, and this is exactly how Zeeshan is making money online. So he builds his list, then he starts promoting affiliate marketing offers to that list, and that's how he makes money. And obviously you're gonna get all these additional video training series on how to actually make some money if you don't have any money to invest in the beginning. So you can make some money, then invest it into solo ads, build a big list, start generating free traffic from that point on, and make a lot of money with affiliate marketing. Okay, so this is how all of this looks like. Obviously, you have all of these different niches, so we can do this in any other niche, not only make money online, not only internet marketing, but any other niche as well. And again, you're going to be getting the software, the video training, and everything else, including the opt-in page template. And you're going to be getting support from these guys, which is always cool. Okay, so guys, this is exactly what you're going to be seeing in the members area. And right now, let's go through the pricing. Now, I found this page with all the upsells, but I believe it is not really updated. So a part of this page, I'm going to show you my own blog post with all the details. Okay, so as you can see, the front end will be $12.95, and this will actually include the piece of software. Okay, $12.95. With that being said, this is the early bird price, and the price will be going up after the initial launch period. And for $12.95, you're getting both video training, the templates, and the software. Okay, so a pretty good deal. Then we have upgrade number 1, $47, upgrade number 2, $197, upgrade number 3, $197, and upgrade number 4, $197. And actually, if we're gonna go to my blog, I have the updated version on this. Okay, so with the first upgrade, you're going to be getting more number of searches. So the front end offers 20 searches per day. But if you want to hunt for the right affiliate offer, obviously you want to make many more, and you will be getting unlimited number of accesses and searches. And you also going to get included a robust page builder, and you're going to be getting the same exact templates that Zeeshan is using. Okay, this will be upgrade number 1, upgrade number 2. This upgrade is focused on special training component in the first main offer taught by Zeeshan. So basically, in the training, he had guide you on how to purchase products right and maximize your earnings. But in this upgrade, you are offering a reseller's license to 8 different products to maximize your profits, and you're going to be getting access to all 8 for the price of 1. Upgrade number 3, this is a super hardcore training, that's how they call it, on AdWords, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, and SEO. So if you really want to start generating massive amounts of traffic, not only from solo ads, but from a bunch of different sources, this is upgrade number 3. And then upgrade number 4, as you can see, we have a reseller's license, which means that you can sell this product as your own and all of the upsells and keep 100% of the profits to yourself. Now obviously you don't have to worry about hosting, you don't have to worry about support. These guys will be handling it, and you just cash in on the commissions, and you're going to be getting 100% commission. So me promoting this as an affiliate, I'm getting 50% commissions, you're going to be getting 100% commissions throughout the whole funnel. So pretty amazing. And right now let me show you all of my bonuses, because I have some amazing bonuses. And actually the first 3 bonuses I'm going to give you are custom made bonuses, especially for this promotion. Okay, so you will be getting these nowhere else. You cannot buy them, you cannot get them for free. You can only get these first 3 bonuses as a part of this bonus bundle. So I made these myself, and as you can see, we got custom bonus number 1. This will be about social media traffic. Custom bonus number 2, everything about free traffic, and custom bonus number 3, everything about solo ads. Okay, so these will be available nowhere else but a part of this bonus package. And I'm also going to give you free resellers licenses to my own products. Okay, so you're actually going to get InstaVid, Traffic Trapper 2.0, and Traffic Extractor Ultimate. So resellers licenses to all 3. And InstaVid I actually launched with Zeeshan, so that's an additional plus for you. You're also going to get my massive done for you pack with campaigns, emails, evergreen funnels, and much more. So I normally sell this as an OTO to my own products, but you're going to get it for free. You're also going to get my buyers list ninja. This is especially helpful for the invisible formula. You're also going to get Urgency Suits Pro, which is a piece of software. Also going to get the Lost Code, the Fuego Multiplier, the Secret Weapon, and Fuego Breakout. These are all W's of the Day awarded products. You're also going to get my case study on how to get free traffic from Facebook. You're also going to get Tube Traffic Avalanche, another W's of the Day course, Commission Blueprint, Launch Jacking Formula, Instagram Marketing Made Simple and Profitable, 10K per month taken a month online, and 11 additional bonuses, including Client Extractor, Image Grab, Viral Suit, Action Simulator, Facebook Audience Builder, Instant Publisher, Pin Book, Social Tracker, Traffic Hoover, Facebook Traffic Engine, and Facebook Photo Contest. And on top of all this, 9 additional plugins. So this is a bundle that I'm offering as well. Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Shortcode Call to Action. Now that's a total of 37 bonuses worth $1,650. And on top of all this, you're gonna get my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus WSO of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses. So you're gonna get all of these for free. Now my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and on top of all of these bonuses that I just mentioned, you're gonna get a total of $3,150. Now guys, I have a full written review for you guys as always, so you can check it all out. Obviously I have all the bonuses added here, I have the funnel breakdown and everything else, and I have a little sum up for you right here. So just to sum it up, this product comes with complete training on how to make money online, and also with the software for finding solo ads. As you can see, this is a complete system if you want to start making money online without showing your face, without revealing your actual name, so you can use a paid name. So this is the exact formula Zeeshan is using. No video creation, no name revealing, no social media required. It comes with pre-made products for you to promote, and you can actually double your income this way. You're gonna get step-by-step assistance and an attentive support team, and obviously you can do this over and over and over again, and it's super newbie friendly. So guys, this is my Invisible by Jono Armstrong, Brendan Mace, and Zeeshan Ahmed review. Make sure to show up early to grab it with an early bird discount. I'm going to be emailing you as well. And Invisible goes live on November 7th at 9 a.m. Eastern, so make sure to show up early, get it with an early bird discount, get it through my link to get all the bonuses. And if you have any questions, as always, you can just leave me a comment on my YouTube video or on my blog, and don't forget to leave a like on YouTube as well and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. So I'll be seeing you very shortly in the next review video. Ciao!